How to make a PDF file on your computer. This tutorial shows you how to turn any document into a PDF using tools already built into Windows. First, open the document you want to convert, like a Word file or web page. After that, click on File, then click Print. From there, click on the Printer drop-down menu. At this point, select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list. In the next step, click Print. Following this, a window will pop up asking where to save the file. Once done, choose a location and name for your new PDF. From here, click Save to create the file. At this stage, this method works for almost any program that has a print option, not just Word or browsers. Keep in mind, if you're converting from Word specifically, you can also use File, then Save As, and choose PDF from the file type dropdown instead. Finally, open the saved file to confirm it was created correctly as a PDF. And that's it! If this guide helped you make a PDF file on your computer, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!